So you can't start a project until you import your data into R. So today we're going to jump into and show you the multiple different ways that you can put your data into R. So let's go. One of the first steps of a project is to import outside data into R. And data is often stored in tabular formats like CSV files or spreadsheets. So first we're going to import a spreadsheet from Excel files using read Excel. And then afterwards, in a future video, we're going to walk through importing data by saving text files into R using readr. So first you need to install the packages readr and readxl. And as always, pull it from your library. So then you need to follow up using library, readr, and readxl. So in order to read tabular data with readr, you're going to use read delim. This is going to read files with any delimiter, tab, semicolon, etc. If there's no delimiter specified, it will automatically guess based on what you put in. Oftentimes you don't want to use this, but it is available. The most frequent way you might want to import your data is using read CSV. So this is going to read comma delimited file with period decimal marks. That's the most frequent use that you'll have in R. If you have semicolon delimited files, you'll use read CSV2. And lastly, if you have tab delimited files or read a fixed width file, you'll use read table. And you need to make sure you use the direct path from your drive in quotations here. So for instance, if I'm going to read the iris package, which I saved to my computer, and we'll go over that later, we would want to use read CSV. This is showing the direct path to the spreadsheet iris. And normally when you copy and paste the path, these are going to be backslashes. You need to change them to forward slashes. And since we want to name it iris, you would typically lead like this to say read CSV, this is the file, and this is what we want to name it. So here we go. And if you look up here in the upper right, you see that iris has been imported into our Rstudio terminal or console. And now it's ready to use, and that's how you can import data into R. All right, we're gonna leave it there. Next video, we'll be going over how to use no headers, providing headers, read multiple files into a single table, etc. Please comment below if you like short format videos or long format videos, and also consider subscribing. Thanks.